Hey, good evening. So tonight I was making broth out of this chicken and beans soup. It just kind of sticks to the bottom, but I needed to evaporate like most of the liquid anyway. Should be fine. As it cools down, it'll finish up. And then I'm making some more chicken in the oven right now. So tonight, oh yes, I like that. When I listen to WWVA in the mornings, it's just nothing but a bunch of ads, I swear.
What is a feast to a poor beggar? Is it bacon and eggs? Is it a kettle full of stew? Or is it a crust of bread from the keeper of the poorhouse? Poverty is a fact of life in the 18th century.
Oh, yeah.
It's very difficult on adults and children alike. Whole families were in destitution, whether they're in Europe, Great Britain, or North America.
I'm in destitution too.
We are going to make them a feast.
I have a little wish list like
in the
here.
18th century, I see the artwork in my head, and they're all
I can't even read what it says, but
walking through the countryside or in the big cities.
I guess I
Europe,
need that.
especially London.
I could
but when
use
I
a
think
new
about North
aquarium.
American colonies, I can't envision any beggars. In fact,
because this is my new aquarium stand here. I just cluttered it all up inside and out, building sirens.